Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you how you can duplicate a bill of material on Transact. So first of all, you need to go in production module. On your left hand side, you will see production module option. Please click on this. Now, once you will come in production module, this is the bill of material list available here, which we have created. So I will open this needle valve bill of material. So click on this. After opening this bill of material, please check on your right hand side, you will see an option of edit and save. Just next to edit and save, you will see duplicate option. So duplicate BOM is used if you do have a long list of raw materials where very slight changes need to be made. So you can use our duplicate BOM feature to create a new BOM instead of creating uh, filling all the detail manually again. So click on this duplicate BOM. A new BOM creation page will get open in front of your screen. You need to define the document name and accordingly make the changes in item. So like suppose this is MOSO 15 which I want to change. So what I will do, I will quickly just go ahead and make the changes. So this is the 09 which I will select, and I will just mention the quantity, that is 45, and accordingly going below I will use the save BOM feature in order to go ahead and save the BOM. Please provide the document name as well. So it will be needle valve, and for identification I will just put one, or you can use any of your name, I mean used in your organization name, and accordingly you can use the save BOM to save this BOM. So please check this BOM is saved now, and just a slight change which I made in the MOS in the raw material. I hope this video will be helpful to you while duplicating the bill of material. Have a good day ahead.